There you go.
Like this. Doesn't matter which one.
No, it doesn't matter which one.
Nifty.
Nifty. Let me see here.
And then that plug, there's a hole up underneath there where the plug fits in.
Yes.
You want this on?
No.
Well, we just run it so I can show you that the rinsate runs through there, but you just have a slight air bubble. You guys don't run it that often. Yeah. Yeah. That is the last section. Is the right? It's recessed so the water drips back in. Yeah. This is sticking out a little bit. I don't know why this thing won't flip. Why won't this thing flip? That is unusual. This one this way again.
So we got some lists now.
You got here. Scotsman.
So what kind of bristles are those?
Like I said, this is a soft one, but you can go to any dollar store and get any soft bristle. I use some that because you're dealing with a real small area, they have those bristles with the handle on them, and I normally get those. I have those. I have the other brushes that almost look like a toilet brush. And
So you want plastic? You don't want any metal?
No, you'll need a new one. You'll need a new one if you get metal, because that's why you're getting this, so you don't wash off your metal. That's why it's nickel safe. Because if you wash this with bleach or with any other cleaner, you'll just find yourself looking for a new ice machine. And good luck with that, because it's it's like a year out. Because we don't have stainless steel. We don't have nickel. And then guess what? If they don't have the chemicals needed to make the hose, they can't sell you an ice machine and say, oh, when we get that in, we're going to send a guy out to put a new hose in there. They tend not to do that kind of thing. Like, we'll sell you a car when we get steering wheels, we'll go and bring steering wheels to your house. They don't, so you kind of like have to wait. So we're in now, that's how it goes. So it's copper, there's styrofoam, there's all kind of plastics and vinyls, and so every chemical under the sun, every metal that's out there is in here. There's aluminum, there's copper, there's steel. So you need all the industries together to make this happen. So, all right. Oh, okay. So you guys do leave it on. You leave it on. Any questions about the ovens? Okay. No questions. All right. Just checking to see. I do little videos to critique my interactions. Okay. So, did you want to go over trying to put this together? And we can run a little mock version of that. So.
It'd be good if we could do it.
Yeah.
Because we don't have all the brushes and stuff clean.
Well, you don't really need that. It's still brand new.
Okay.
It's still brand new, so it's not like you're really dealing with that much of an issue. What you're dealing with is you're actually killing the bacteria that was from the freeze or the
No, the water got messed up. Never had a little water.
Right. So that's all you're doing is you're going to kill the bacteria. So you don't really need the brushes because you haven't really been reducing ice that long. So everything else looks good, right? Put that in there. Go from there. Oh, yes. All right. So this machine is going to run until it actually reaches temperature to operate. Steam is always good. You get a free facial every time you come here. No. I actually have, I have fog-free work glasses of the protective ones. And they still fog up. You pay extra money for it. I don't get it. I pay a lot of money for them and they still fog up. So I don't even, supposed to wear them, I don't even wear them. So I've called the factory and called them, and they called Spain, and still they haven't gotten back to me on switching this from Celsius to Fahrenheit if that's actually a thing. But 85 Celsius is 185 Fahrenheit. You actually might want to label that and put a little card and I want to put that in a little card, put it there, just so when somebody does come by, it's easily accessible. Hey, this is a conversion. 85 Celsius is 185 Fahrenheit. And yeah, because it's such a slow draw on the chemical, it's going to be quite a while. If it does slip out, you're going to have that. So there's weights that you could put on there. That's your chemical. Surgery
How do they do with that camera?
So let's see. All right. You guys are
There you go, Steve.
keeping it. Okay. Ice hasn't joined together or anything, so that's good.
So what happens to the other end where, where you insert the little sensor? Where does that go?
You can feel it just to the right.
Yeah. Is it stay there exposed? The little cables are exposed?
Yes. It's low voltage. It's just a sensor. It's not even electricity. It's a continuity wire.
Okay.
It's picking up the temperature.
It can be exposed.
Sorry about that. What about this hanging down? You can feel it in there. All right. Yeah, go ahead. That goes on top. Pull it out. You want to clean that, and then you want to wipe the rest of it. Like I said, I don't enjoy carpal tunnel, so I had picked these up. These are like $7, $8. They sell these at Walmart as well. So the same company that makes the same brand that's in Walmart, the Heart. So Heart used to be its own company. They used to make hammers and things, and so this Chinese company bought them, and they do what they always do. They well, no, they go across the board with everything, and they put everything under the same name because nobody wants to buy Hang Sang this and Hang Sang Mop, and so they put Arm& Hammer on it. You're like, oh, I love Arm& Hammer. I've used this since I was a child. That ain't the same. It ain't the same. Beautiful, beautiful. That's how it's supposed to be. That's how it's supposed to be. Yeah, you did. Wait, wait, wait. You forgot. Oh, oh, I am live. Sorry about that, y'all. Let me check this out while they're doing that. Oh, you guys are doing good. You guys remembered not to block it, so you stop putting all those boxes in there. That's always a good thing. All right. Door gaskets are good. They're clean. Yeah, you guys like to listen. That's good. That's good. Yeah, I was in here. I was in here last. That's good. This is good. These door gaskets are good. We don't have any ice accumulation. Yes. You have to wait. Yeah, you gotta have to wait. No, no. Yeah. You just wait. Yes, it should be done now. There you go. Because you'll hear the fan stop. Yes, I just now see that. And there. It's coming from here. It's coming from here. So, no, 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 no. All the ice, all the water is here. It actually, it doesn't. Let's see here. What is here? Yeah, we got some moisture there. I'm actually going to use this to see. So we got some moisture there. And that moisture is coming down. Yeah. Huh. Yeah. That was laser film. That was laser film. People don't actually make things anymore. Robots do. And so they shoot a laser beam, and if it's just straight um, reflective stainless steel, the laser bounces off. And so they put a coating on there, blue or white with blue stripes on it, and then that will keep the laser focused on the right point. Okay, I'll take a look at that. That'll keep it focused on the right point, and then it can cut it. And then there'll be a human being that's gonna come and like do this, the seam, so you don't slice your fingers open on the corners. But the rest of it's all done by robots. It looks like a big record player. It's they're as big as this table, and they slide a whole sheet of stainless steel in there, and the robot arms does that.
Okay, so these are the one-off.
Yes.
Okay, this is the defrost.
Yes. So that's what I was telling you. In the summertime, if you ever see those icicles hanging, or if there's some kind of issue, you just hold this down. You hold that down, and you'll see those two, right? Go. You see how it went quiet, and you'll see the dripping frost, and that is manually putting it into defrost. So every now and then, especially if you're loading it up in the summertime, you might end up having to do that if you see the temperature raise up. It's because it's just sucking in all this humidity. So it's just something that you do in Houston, and it's something you do in Miami.
So what's the one this is thinking?
It's going through. It should be going through defrost when it's. No, this is cooling. This is in cooling mode. That's the fan. That's the fan turning. Yeah. So it's just going through a cooling mode because it's already at 21. So it's going to bring it right down to freezing. So, and that's it. Right. So that is going into defrost. We'll go ahead and open this up, and you'll see that there isn't anything on these coils. These coils will be clean, and they'll be clean because they have them spaced so far out. So that compressor kicked on. Wonderful. Machine screws. Probably end up taking that out. Let me see. Yeah, I'll take some of these off. I'll take these off. So, like I said, they're clean. It is a little dusty in here. It is a little dusty. But what applies is different. So you would have to, I don't know what kind of if you guys are using. Well, you guys do have a vacuum. Do you have a vacuum, or are you having a service clean? Okay. It doesn't blow. It doesn't have a blow. Okay. So yeah, because that would be the only thing is just to blow. Nope. 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 Because it's just down here doing its thing. This is a separate part. This is the cavity, and then this is the condenser down here. So see what I mean about a HEPA filter? It just sucks up everything. Uh, so this is someone's hair. As someone's hair. So it just whatever's in the room is going to end up in those three places. It's not going to affect the fridge and the freezer as much as it does the ice machine.
Does it have to be a vacuum?
No,
Like
you'll never get past this level. It's wrapped around several times. So you get the front, but you're not going to get the layers behind it, and you have to get the layers behind it. Yeah, vacuum or yeah, something. But like I said, it's not anything that you're going to have to deal with for the next. You won't have to deal with that for at least a good 4 years. You got a few minutes. You got a few minutes, so it's not something that you worry about. Let me see here. Anybody have any questions? Let's see here. This thing won't let me move. let's see. Hmm. That is it. That's absolutely useless because, well, you're not getting. Well, yeah, but feelings and mechanics are two different things. Robots don't feel. It's a machine. And so that's like washing your car when it needs an oil change, right? So this is one layer, and then you have this layer back there. You have to remove the future obstructions. But I've seen this style, I've seen them operate like this for 8, 9 years, and they didn't even know it was there, and it was just fine, which is why this company went with this style. No, no, they have nothing to do with the mechanics. Now, if you had mice in there, you had creepy crawlies in there, then they're probably going to say, yeah, let's see it. But they would never take this off. You would move this out and rotate it because it's on wheels. So technically, you're supposed to take this out and clean behind it anyway. So they would want to take it out and look behind it and see because it's all pretty much open back there. So they wouldn't come into it. They would go behind it. They would say, hey, let's pull this out. Let's rotate this thing around and let's see what's happening back there. Let me see if this screw. No, these screws weren't any better. Yeah, so they're going to want to see. They're going to want to know what's going on behind it. So, the that's where these went. You know that ice machine's kind of quiet. Think we skipped a step back there? Yeah, yeah. You put it. You're supposed to put it into the wash mode. You could put the. It's not even a mock because we're just killing the germs. We're just killing the bacteria. Doesn't need any scrubbing. No, we're going to use the actual cleaner. No, the sanitizer is what you have on your left. The cleaner is what you have on your right. So that's what you're going to run through the system. Just a very, and actually just use half of that gradient marking. I'm going to use half of that. Yeah, I'm going to use half of that because we're just killing. Yeah, but you're not cleaning it. We're actually going through and you putting that cleaner through is actually going to remove whatever little powdered lime scale was in there. It's going to remove all that stuff. So we don't need to do the full amount. Yeah, because you're not actually even going to run that thing through the full cycle anyway. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. It's from the top. You're going to notice it from the top. So, oh, you poured way too much. Did somebody use this? So you okay? Oh, yeah, but there's all the markings.